Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A6 headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and some protective gloves. Always ensure your Audi A6 is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Then, identify the specific headlight assembly you need to replace on your vehicle. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get access to that headlight unit. Begin by opening your Audi A6's hood and finding the access panel or cover situated directly behind the headlight assembly. You'll likely need a Torx or Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 screws or clips holding this panel in place. Once the panel is off, gently disconnect the 1 or 2 electrical connectors from the back of the headlight bulb. With access gained, it's time to remove the old bulb. You'll typically find a retaining spring or a twist lock mechanism holding the bulb. Unclip the spring or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn to release it. Gently pull the old headlight bulb straight out, being careful not to touch the glass part. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any damage before proceeding. Finally, let's install your new headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated perfectly. Reattach the retaining spring or twist the bulb holder clockwise until it locks securely. Reconnect the 1 or 2 electrical connectors firmly. Before closing the hood, turn on your Audi A6 and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.